Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. But first, I am going to show you our newest wax seal set. I don't know if you're collecting these like everyone else, but it's Happy Mail, and you'll see it on our website. I'm not really spending any time on this because it's limited edition. Once it's gone forever. Usually sells out in about 24 hours. So I hope you can get it. Now, let's move on. We have a fun mini Slimline double. We're calling it winter, but oops, upside down. It has these fun trees, and my samples are really going to explain it to you. In fact, let me grab one right here, and little snowballs. Look at how cute those are. Now, yes, these are interchangeable with all of our mini Slimline backgrounds. So you have different options to do mixing and matching. But look at those trees. Are those just like amazing or what? Aren't they awesome? I just fell in love with them when I did them. And then we have like little snow falling, which is really fun. Here's another one I want to show you really quick. In one monotone white. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you just go, oh, when you see that? I love it. I love it. I love it. But wait, there's more. Because then we have the words, and I know it looks like nothing here, but it's Happy Galentine's Day. So instead of Valentine's Day for your friends, gals, your friends, it's Happy Galentine's Day. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love that. We've had this request. This has been a customer request for quite a while. So I finally got it on the schedule, and it's Happy Galentine's Day, which I love because, you know, sometimes you don't want to say Happy Valentine's Day to one of your friends, right? Happy Galentine's Day. I love it. Now, this one I made for myself. Don't even look at it. Don't even buy it. I made this for me because sometimes you want to give out a little Valentine, but you don't want to make like a full-on card, but you want it to be cute, but you don't want it to be like all, I love you, I love you, I love you kind of thing, but you want to give out something because it's Valentine's Day, right? So this is Happy Heart, I think it's called, no, Heart Note Card Die Set. Now, look at this guy. This guy is insane. He is so adorable. Let me show you what it looks like. It comes with lots of words too. It comes with sending you love, smile, sending you smiles, or my friend, friend forever, friends forever, sorry, friends forever, smile, sending you, it just has lots of words. Here we go. Look at this. This is what it looks like. It makes a 3.5 by 3.5 note card. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these little notches because it keeps it self-closing. You're going to open that up. Ready? Open this up. Isn't that adorable? It took me forever to get this design right, but I had so much fun. And then you're going to put it together. You're going to pull it closer to get it in those notches. And there you go. Is that just like the cutest thing? So I'll show you those last. Let's look at all the other ones. So here's more of the winter, which I absolutely love. Look at how different all of these are, you guys. They're using the same die, but they're all different. Isn't that awesome? They are all different. And that's what I love about them, especially when you go back and look at that white one. Look at this, you guys. They're all different. I absolutely love that. So, and versatile because you can mix and match, right? Okay. Then let's look at our Happy Galentine's Day. Don't you just love this? So this is also using the A2 Scalloped Heart Fold It and the Elegant Edge card die. And of course, Cheryl made this one, so she added extra 3D ink. I absolutely love that. Isn't that beautiful? Or Happy Galentine's Day. Isn't that cute? It fits perfectly on an A2. Look at this one with the fun chocolate strawberries. Hello? Who wouldn't love that? If one of my friends made me one of these, I'd be all, oh yeah, you're my BFF. Here's another one, sending you with our flower fold over. Ready? Sending you Happy Galentine's Day as a pop-up. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. How'd she do that? Fold it in half, do a little tiny crease here, a little tiny crease here, and glue on those two spots. That's all. That's all, you guys. Look how cool that is. It pops up. Then, now let's look at the note cards. Now, the note cards are hard to do upside down, so I'm going to use this camera. But here we go. Love this. You're going to take those little notches, open it up. Ooh, there's a hidden message. Look at this. Love, my forever friend. Oh, and this one even has little pads of paper on here. Isn't that adorable? Look at how special that is. To close it, you're going to pull it a little bit closer to each other. Actually, it's easier to do the notches. There we go. Look how cute that is. So grab the notches. Ready? Here we go. Oh, in the back, there it is. but we're going to open up the notches. There we go. Ooh, a secret message. When someone else's happiness is your happiness, that is love. Isn't that adorable? Now, another fun thing to do, you guys, is also just to cut these right there. Boom. Put a heart on there, and now you have a different kind of card. So it's two in one. Here we go. Love. We're going to open these up. This one's a little tight because it's thicker. It's cardstock. It's chipboard. Open that up. Open that up. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love these, you guys. Here's another one. And it's fun because it takes a second to open, which I like, because then they're really paying attention to what you gave them. If you just give them a card, which is fine, but if you give them a card, they're like, oh, cute. But if you give them one of these, they're going to go, whoa, this is so cool. Wait, how do I open it? And they're going to spend time on it. They're going to look at this. They're going to figure it out. They're going to open this and go, wait, there's more? Oh, wait, I get to open this? Oh, it's going to take them longer, which is kind of cool because they're going to spend more time on it, which is fun because they're going to think of you more. So I love it. Cute little Galentines. My boys are going to fall in love with these, making these for all their friends at school. My friends, the first 24 hours these items are on their website, on our website, guess what? Flash sale. Get them quick. Once they're off flash sale, I'm so sorry. The first 24 hours they're on our website or until sold out, whichever comes first, they are on flash sale, which is so much fun, right? Except the wax seals, because these go so quickly. They literally sell out usually in 24 hours. So go get this fast, okay? My friends, thank you so much. If you want to see these ideas up close and personal, please go to our gallery on our website, thestampsoflife.com. Check out that gallery. All these ideas and even more are all on our website. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.